Hey there, saxophone friends. Do you struggle with understanding different symbols and terminology associated with dynamics? Well, in this video, I'm going to cover the 6 different basic types of terminology and symbols associated with dynamics. Let's get started. Now, dynamics play a very important part in music. Whether you're in a small combo band or a very large concert band or marching band, dynamics are designed to help the music sound as it was wrote. You really want to incorporate the dynamics and follow along with the terminology as you play your sheet music or as you play in a combo band. Why is it important? Well, if someone's playing a solo, you want a decrescendo and be a little quieter so that solo can come out. Likewise, if you're in a concert band or marching band or a bigger band, combination band with a big band or jazz band, if there's a theme that's carried throughout different sections, every other section needs to be quieter so that section can carry the theme. Now, I've experienced this as I've been playing in different big bands and concert bands. Sometimes your section carries the theme and you are to be loud or crescendo up to a fortissimo. We'll cover what that terminology means later in this video. But there's other times that you need to be quieter and be at a pianissimo. To understand these dynamics, it's very important to be a musician, and it's very important to be an outstanding band. So, without further ado, let's get started with the terminology and symbols. Okay, well, here we are with my cheat sheet. Now, this is terminology and symbols that you will see in your sheet music. We're going to start off with crescendo, which is going from soft to loud, and then decrescendo goes from loud to soft. Now, loud to soft, you have forte and piano, symbolized by a lowercase f for full volume and a lowercase p for soft volume. Mezzo forte is symbolized by a lowercase m and f, and that's a moderate full volume. Mezzo piano is symbolized by a lowercase m and p, and that is moderate soft volume. You can also have fortissimo, which is a double F, very loud, and pianissimo, which is a double P, which is very soft. Now, oftentimes you will find these symbols combined with crescendos and decrescendos symbolized with the F or double P. So forte, decrescendoing down to a pianissimo. So that's going from a full volume down to a very soft volume. And likewise, the other way, you will have a pianissimo crescendoing up to a fortissimo, which is a piano soft volume crescendoing up to a very loud fortissimo volume. I hope this cheat sheet helps you understand terminology and symbols when it comes to dynamics. And that's all we have today. I hope you learned something when it comes to dynamics and music terminology. Be sure to like this video and smash that subscribe button to learn more about saxophone technique and music in general. I'm TJ Spencer with the Saxophone Workshop. We'll see you next time.